Hey everyone, here's the quick take on the E-Flite EC-1500 Twin, the bind and fly version that I have here on the table. Instead of going through a lengthy 20-minute long video, I thought I'd give you guys just a short quick take on the airplane. So, what's included in the box when you get it? Well, you get, with the bind and fly version, you get the airplane, you get the receiver already pre-installed. It comes with AS3X and Safe Select. It comes with pretty much everything is pre-assembled into sub-assemblies here. So you have two complete wings with the motors, speed controls already set up on here. You get two counter-rotating props and spinners that you need to install. Of course, you get the fuselage, which is pretty much completely assembled except for the tail section here. And the horizontal stabilizer just clips into place, the vertical with two screws. The entire assembly process can really take you probably 15-20 minutes. From the time you get it out of the box to the time you get it assembled. So the assembly is very easy with the aircraft, no issues whatsoever. The wings are attached with nylon thumb screws, which are fantastic because they work great for easy installation at the field. I can quickly take the wings off, throw it in the back of my car, drive down to the field, fly. No issues at all. This is a very slick system. You got a carbon fiber spar that's inside the wing here. You got some really robust connectors where the wing and the fuselage meet. So everything from that standpoint is absolutely fantastic. One of the cool features about the EC-1500 that I've come to just love is there's a cargo hatch that opens and closes on the back of the fuselage here. So you can drop parachutes out the back. E-Flite even offers some streamers and some parachute guys that you can use. I bought some model rocket parachutes so I can hook it to little toy cars, anything else. Really cool feature. I've already tested it out. We've dropped some parachuters out the back. Got about a 50% success rate right now, so we'll get better with that. Got some additional graphics on here that are not factory. I got some Cali graphics on here with the USCG stickers, but otherwise everything else on the airframe is stock besides those extra decals. What do I think about the airplane overall? Well, I have had a few flights on it. I've had a lot more flights than Real Flight 9, and so far 2 thumbs up. I had a couple guys from my club flight as well. They love the airplane. I love the airplane. The cool thing is that this thing has a lot of versatility with it. You can fly it 3D. You can fly it on 3S. You can fly it on 4S. You can fly it with twin 2200s up front. You can fly it with a 5,000 milliamp battery. It's got lights. It's got flaps. It's got the cargo door. It's got safe. It's got AS3X. It comes with skis right from the factory. You can get optional floats for it. Ton of value, ton of versatility, definitely a big thumbs up in my book. Plus it looks awesome too. The coloring is fantastic on it. I love the bright orange. Everything looks really great on the airplane. Yeah, it's a winner. There is no doubt about it. Everybody who's flown it in real life, they've flown it in the simulator, they've flown it at the field. We got thumbs up from everybody who's tried it. This is definitely a winner. I would highly recommend the aircraft. There are new prop adapters, so if you have an early production model, so say you bought it in fall of 2019, there are updated prop adapters now. Just get a hold of Horizon Hobby. You can get it right from their website or call their customer service department. At some point, all new airplanes will come with them. Mine already has them installed. Real easy to do. You can check out the videos on that. Otherwise, that's it. That wraps up the quick take on the EC-1500 from E-Flite. Fantastic airplane, highly recommend. If you guys got any questions or comments, please leave them below in the video. I'll be sure to answer them. And if I get a lot of questions that are kind of repeating, I'll even do a separate video just to kind of address those. But overall, yeah, 2 thumbs up from E-Flite. Awesome job. Everybody should have one of these things in their hangar. It's a fantastic airplane.